Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Seema Rathi from School of Law and Legal Studies, Sage University, Bhopal. My today's video lecture is on consideration. It is defined under Indian Contract Act 1872. It's defined under Section 2, Subclause D. The definition of consideration is when at the desire of the promiser, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing or does or abstinence from doing or promises to do or to abstain from doing something. Such act or abstinence or promise is called a consideration for the promise. Now, Section 23 talks about consideration must not be illegal. Section 25 says that agreement without consideration is void. And next is without consideration, contract is void. Consideration is a return, that is, something for something. Now, what are the essential ingredients of Section 2D? A point is at the desire of the promiser. That is discussed through these cases. Durga Prasad versus Baldev. In this case, it was held that consideration at others' wish, there will be no legal consideration. Next case is Kedarnath versus Gauri Muhammad. In this case, it was held that did some work in lieu of responsibility is also known as consideration. Now, next point is promisee or any other person. There is a case that is Chennaiya versus Ramaiya. In this case, it was held that a stranger to contract cannot sue. Now, doctrine of privity of contract. It means contract is a contract between the parties only and no third party, that is, a stranger to contract, can sue upon it. Now, what are the exceptions of privity rule? Trust or charge is the first point. Trust is the property held and managed by one or more persons for another's benefit. There is a case Khwaja Muhammad Khan versus Hussaini Begum. In this case, it was held